In this class we are going to learn multipad. Okay, multipad, title itself giving clue. So let's select the sketch. Observe here on logic is there. I draw a circle here, exit workbench, giving pad option. Okay, again I'm selecting some plane sketch. Here I'm giving elongated hole, exit workbench, and I'm giving pad option. Okay, if I want to edit these two profiles, circular profile and elongated hole profile at the same time by using multipad, it is not possible because these two are individual profiles, sketch 1 and sketch 2. For sketch 1 we give pad 1, it appears as circular profile. For sketch 2 we give pad, it is appears as elongated hole. So then how we use multipad? Let's see, select the plane sketch. Now I enter into the sketch part. So here let's come back, I will show one more thing. Sketch 1, let's bigger one, exit. Now let's do this is sketch 1, make it as it is also bigger one. To understand clearly. Okay, give thickness 20, give 50 here, and for this elongated hole give 80 thickness. Okay, now coming to the sketch. So here see, now this sketch 1. In this sketch 1 I am giving number of profiles. Okay, here I am giving again elongated hole, it is a one sketch. Here I am giving rectangle, it is another sketch. Here I am giving circle, it is another sketch. Here I am giving okay. In one sketch I have drawn 4 profiles, different profiles. Okay, now I am exiting workbench. See here, if I give multipad, here it is useful. See here 4 sketches are exit, here these 4 sketches are exist now. So what is the use of multipad? For example, I am choosing this one, this circular elongated hole. I am giving 30 thickness. Second one, this is the hexagon, I am giving here 45 thickness. Now it is circular elongated hole, here I am giving 50 thickness. And last one circular, here I am giving 25 thickness. Okay, see here, for these 4 profiles I have mentioned different thickness here, 30, 45, 50, 25, whatever may be. It is multipad option, option it is. If I select preview, see what will happen. Okay, everything is in reverse direction. More. Okay, let's see, preview. Okay, these are options. In one sketch I have drawn 4 profiles. So with these 4 profiles I have given different thickness of the material. With the use of multipad, we can draw, like in one sketch we can draw different profiles with different thickness. Okay, that is the useful of multipad. Let's see, is another option. Multipad length. Length means here what we have given, it is the length. In more option it is reverse direction, and type 2 also, it is, so another option is also there. We can mention, for example, it is 30. Here it is highlighted elongated hole. If I give 200 or else 150, let's see how it will happen. See, elongated hole, it is extruded in second direction. Okay, this is the advantage of the multipad. Without disturbing another element, we can change which sketch we want to require. Okay, this is the multipad option. Thank you. Thanks for watching CATIA tutorials. Please subscribe our channel, like the video, share the video.